Hello guys, welcome to another trading recap. In this video I will go over the trades that I took on July 22nd. I traded Tesla options and I made $1,600 in the first 15 minutes of the market open. My initial investment was around $4,000, so totally I made 40% return on investment for the whole trading day, and I made like $1,600 with initial investment of approximately $4,000. My trading count is not like $4,000, but if you had $4,000 and you were doing these trades, you could easily make $1,600 like I did. So let's go over the trades and walk you through what was my thought process, what was the trade plan, and what was my trades. But before that, please like, subscribe, and wait for the next videos that I will post more frequently. I will talk about my trading strategies, my trade recaps, and trading psychology, which is one of the most important things in trading. So let's go over the charts. So first of all, let's go over the overall market. S&P 500 had a crazy run in the last 2-3 days. And even though we had a lot of bad news about the inflation and CPI in the last 2 weeks, we saw the S&P 500 broke above 9 and 21 EMA on daily chart, and as you can see, it also broke this trend line that I had since April. So for now, we are still in the bear zone, and we are very far from getting any bullish. But as of now, we are kind of holding above 9 and 21 EMA on S&P 500. The same thing happened to QQQ, Nasdaq. We had a pre-market high of 307.65, but as the market got open, it got rejected around this 308 area and then sold off the whole day. Tesla, however, after the earning had a crazy run, and then this July 22nd was the second day after the earning. On the earning day, after the earning, Tesla pushed higher from 765 all the way up to 820, which was a crazy move. And after that, it started basically gapping up again in the pre-market on July 22nd. So I was watching 830 level on Tesla, anticipating a break above that level and a possible continuation. But at the same time, I even talked about it in the pre-market webinars in our community that when we have this kind of move, it is better to be very cautious and do not go in very heavy, because there is a high probability of a choppy price action or a pullback. Well, Tesla is a stock that we saw, like it runs a couple of days in a row, but the market was kind of needed some pullback, and Tesla needed some pullback as well. But in the morning, the bullish momentum was really strong. So let's go over the trades that I took on Tesla. So right at the open, Tesla got rejected at 830 area, pushed back down around 823, 824, but buyers picked back up the price and held above 826. At 826, I entered Tesla 830 same day expiry calls and got out of my trade around this 832 level. After around 20 seconds, I closed my trade. So let's go over my trades here. I entered 5 Tesla 830 calls, same week expiry. I entered with a premium of 875. I closed the trade at 1060. So this was around 21% profit in less than 20 seconds. And my stop loss here was around this 824, and I wanted to see if buyers cannot hold this level, I will get out of the trade. So my stop loss was around here, which was around $8. So my trade was approximately 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So the reward to risk ratio was really good. The return on investment was like 20% in 20 seconds. So this was an ideal trade. It was really interesting, and I really like this trade as well myself. At 9:31, when I saw buyers cannot hold above this 830 area, well, I got out of the trade, and then, well, you can see Tesla pushed back down, went below 824, but after that it held this zone, this support at the pre-market level, which was around 820. The same level it closed yesterday. So this was an important level. When I saw Tesla held this level, and at this 8:37 I saw Tesla went above 921 EMA on 1 minute chart. I got into another Tesla 830 call position around this 828 area at 9:39. So I entered three 830 calls at the price of 8.8 and got out at one at 9:39 and 44 seconds and the other one at 9:39 and 52 seconds, almost at the end of this candle. And the reason I went out is that again Tesla was not able to hold and push above this 832 level. I wanted to see that. And Tesla was very volatile as well. And it was 0DT, so it's really tough and it's really dangerous to hold 0DT options, because with any kind of pullback you will lose all the profits you made and more. So it's better to be very fast. Your execution should be very top notch and high level on 0DTs. If you cannot trade 0DT, if you cannot read level 2 time and sales, it's better to go for next week or even next month expiry options. That's a lot safer and it's not that volatile, so you have time to think about the trade and execute. So yeah, this trade was around 16% basically profit, return on investment, and my stop loss at this trade was around this 820 at the break of this 827 area. So my stop loss was very tight. So this reward to risk ratio was around 2.5. So I risked $1 for $2.5. So it was not a bad trade at all. So this was like the first trade was obviously better, but this one was also great. Basically the confirmations on this trade was really great. Tesla broke this this trend line, and it broke above 9 and 21 EMAs, and bid was pushing above this 829 area. And with all of these, I felt that I have enough confirmation for high probability trade, and this was a great trade as well. So after that, Tesla had hard time breaking above this 832 area, but it held above this 830 level, which was basically the pre-market high. When I saw it is holding this 832 area, 830, 831 zone, I saw bid did not get below even 831. When I saw it is holding this 832 area, 830, 831 zone, I saw bid did not get below even 831. So when I saw that, I entered 4 Tesla 840 call options this time at the price of 6.58 and got out at 9.44, and the other one I got out basically break even. So what happened here, I tried to hold these contracts for a little bit longer because I saw it is holding above pre-market high, and bid is kind of pushing as well. So I felt like, okay, it may kind of pull back and push higher. So I wanted to give it a try and see if it can hold above this zone. So I got out of the first 2 contracts at the price of 7.8 and made like $240, but the other 2 kind of went down, and because I was trading 0DT, I didn't want to go negative, so I cut my basically 2 other contracts almost at break even, and I didn't want to go to any red position. I didn't want to let my winners go red. So that's the strategy I do a lot as well. So after that, as you can see, Tesla had hard time breaking above 840, like the overall market, SPY and QQQ as well. And it tried a couple of times getting above 840, but it got rejected and went back down till 815 and almost closed the day around the same area. We will have webinars about my trades, my strategies, and you can attend in my webinars. You should apply for that, and I will just select a very few number of people for my webinars. And if you are interested, check out the link in the description below for attending my webinars. So this was my trade. I had 3 trades and 3 wins. I don't have 100% win rate. My win rate is not close to 100% at all. But in this trade, I had 3 trades and I limited that to that 3 trades. I didn't trade anymore. And that's why my win rate was like 100%. I will post another videos about the other day that I had like around 30% win rate, but at the end of the day I was up like $1,000. I ended the day $1,000 in profit. So win rate doesn't show anything. It's all about your biggest profit, biggest losers, and basically profit factor, reward to risk ratio. All of these matters. So don't look at this 100%. My win rate is not like that. I try to limit my trades to less than 10 trades per day, or even like less than 5 trades like this day. That kind of helps me to focus on high priority trades and do not just get in and out of the trades. As you can see, I had 20, 16 and 10% return on investment within seconds. And that is the beauty of options, and especially 0DTE. But obviously you have the same risk as well. So if you cannot manage your risk, manage your position sizing, and control your emotions, you can easily lose a lot of money with trading options. So it's better to first educate yourself and then get into trading options. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe if you like this video, and please comment below if you have any questions. I will post more trading recaps more often. Please check out my Instagram as well. I talk about my trading, I post my game plans, my trading strategies, any kind of news there as well. So don't miss that. Also, if you want to have a webinar with me, check out the link in the bio. In my webinars, I will talk about my trading strategies and trading recaps, and I will just select only very few number of people for my webinars. So if you want to be in that webinar, please use the link in the bio to apply for that. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.